Three.
This is the potassium permanganate.
Pine.
It is cold water now we can see. It is dissolved slowly.
Jumdi.
Now we will try with hot water.
Explain చేయండి రా.
When the water heats up, the convection, the hot water at the bottom boils up boils up, and it carries with it the potassium permanganate which is settled at the bottom. You can see the brownish motion.
అరే అయిపోయింది చెప్పండి రా.
Now we can see that it is slowly dissolving.
చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. అయిపోయింది చెప్పండి రా.
When we compare this, it has more dissolving but compared to this. It is cold water, it is hot water.